All right, are you ready for steps 5 and 6 of our 10 steps to build a recession resilient business? We're starting right now. Hello, tribe. You're only one video away from your breakthrough, and I'm believing it could be this one right now. Here we go. We're now working with step 5 of the 10 steps to build a recession-resilient business. Step 5 is constantly build branding for your business. Branding, big buzzword, hear it a lot, but it is so invaluable to your business. So often, salons and small businesses, they go into business and they develop a name and they design out their beautiful surroundings that they want people to feel comfortable in. And they have somebody come up with a logo, and then they open the doors and they just start doing services. But they're not considering on the long term, because this is a long-term play, you have to brand your business. Now, what do I mean by branding? I want you to think of something. What do you think about if I mention Apple? What's their brand? If I mention Kleenex, I mention Coca-Cola. They have a brand. Just by mentioning the name, you can envision their logo. You know what they stand for, what their benefit is, and that's branding. It's just not a name of a business that you promote. Hey, come on down and get your hair colored, or come on down and get a massage, or come on down and do some physical therapy to such and such a place. It's branding is something that you are constantly building. And I'm going to give you some tips, but I want you to know clearly what is branding. With branding, you want to have a logo. You want to have an icon, a logo that represents who you are, and that logo should also be designed in a way that it is communicating the value that you offer. Next, you want to have with your logo, the name of your business and your logo, you want to have a benefit tagline. What is your benefit? What can you do for other people? What can you do for the clients in your neighborhood, in your community? What is your benefit? I want you to write that down and think through, what is my benefit that I offer of value to anyone that would consider coming to me? And then come up with something solid, concise, to the point. You also want to have defined clearly what is the primary problem that clients or potential clients within your community, within your neighborhoods, are experiencing. And then what is your key solution to that problem? Now, I'm going to be straight with you. You know what? Let's face it. Men and women, they don't want another hair salon. They don't want another physical therapy establishment. They don't want another lawyer, another doctor, another dentist, a hygienist. Whatever the service business that you're in, what they want is someone to solve a problem that they have. So you have to be clear about what is the problem and what is your solution. And then another key component is that if you're constantly building branding, then it's your market pieces, your marketing pieces, and your channels. What are the marketing pieces? Designing your business card, designing your brochure, designing your website. On your channels, what are your channels that you're communicating through? We have moved away now from television, radio, newspaper, print magazines. We're now in the digital age. Everyone lives online, and your marketing channels need to be what is happening digitally that used to happen traditionally. So you may have a YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. What are the channels you're on? And you want to be on more than just one channel. You want to have a diversity. When you're building your brand, you want to expose that brand across many different channels. On those channels, you want to have a banner, a header that communicates. You have your name, you have your logo, you have your benefit statement. You want those things to be permeating all aspects of your marketing reach. Those are the important keys to building a brand. Now, you have some downtime right now. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to sit down, pencil and paper, and think through the various things I just said and ask yourself, am I communicating a single value message to everyone who sees me in my marketing pieces that I'm trying to communicate to the community? Step number 6. Step 6 is you want to constantly be building your mindset. I'm going to just tell you straight out, I'm big on this. It's probably what I'm all about. And in business, I am all about mindset. It starts with mindset, and it's always about mindset in every problem, obstacle, and opportunity that you face in building your business. You have to, the leader, you, the owner, right? That's you, right? You have to work in building and developing a strong mindset. What are the aspects of this mindset that you want to be constantly building? You want to be building a warrior success mindset. That's what we are, thirsty warriors, business warriors, battling out all the time for building our business. And we have to battle competition. We have to battle getting the proper employees, excellent, high performance employees. We're battling. This is a battle. And you have to develop a strong warrior success mentality, a mindset. What is that composed of? Well, the first thing that's very important is trust. You have to build a mindset of trust. Am I leading and coming across to all the people that I'm involved with, clients as well as staff, as a trusting person they can rely on? That they know when they come, they're going to get consistent client experience. Staff is going to come knowing they're going to have a well-run business. It's not going to go out of business. They're going to have security in having or earning a living for them and their family. The next one is integrity. Integrity is defined real simple. Do what you say you're going to do. Do people trust that you are going to do what you say you're going to do? I can't tell you how often you deal with people, right? And they say they're going to do something and they don't do it. You know, you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting. And then you run across someone one time and you say, hey, what about, and they go, oh, sorry, I forgot. Now, they didn't forget. They don't have a mindset of integrity. I am a big one on this when it comes to me personally. Many people that know me will tell you of my integrity. They can count on me that I will do what I say I'm going to do. And I want to promise you and pledge to you this. I'm going to do the same for you. I am pledging to you to serve up inspiration, tips, tactics, strategies, and solutions for you, the salon owner and the small business owner. I will keep showing up. I will keep teaching. I will keep on all my social media channels giving you value in all kinds of different ways all the time. That is my integrity. Also, your mindset is your thinking. How are you thinking? Is it chaotic, confused? Are you in overwhelm all the time? Or do you have a precise thinking about what the priorities and tasks are that need to be accomplished in your business? And stay focused. That's your mindset. How do you think? The other part of thinking is the thoughts that you have. We all have negative and positive thoughts. But negative thoughts have a tendency to win over people when they're under stress and pressure in building their business. You have to have a mindset that is going to be able to not focus on those negative thoughts and focus on the time that's present now and what needs to be done. Build that in yourself. Focus on it. Think about it. Another couple points is challenges and opportunities. What is your mindset about challenges? How do you face challenges? What do you think about it? What's your mind think when it comes to a challenge? Do you hesitate and pause and step back? Or do you bust through it and take on the challenge and go for the win? Opportunities. Do you really see opportunity when it comes your way? Later on in these 10 steps, I'm going to come to one that's the biggest opportunity that you can possibly have in your business, and most people do not take full advantage of, and it is big profit center, a big profit center. And the last one I'd like to leave you with is in constantly building mindset, that is action. Do you have an action mindset? Every day, getting up, taking action, not procrastinating, not shirking your duties, not stepping back, making excuses, hiding from things that you are uncomfortable with. You have to have a mindset of action. I am moving forward every day. I'm taking a step towards success. Now, those are the steps. I hope you will take them to heart. We're going to be coming up on the next video with the next steps. We're going to be doing, I think it's 7 and 8. But I want you to like this video if you got value from it. Share it with other salon owners, small business owners. Join our tribe and subscribe and ding the notification bell. We'll be coming up right away.